Good evening everyone! Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po ang araw nyo? Salamat po sa panonood ng mga videos ko. Okay, so for tonight, we are going to discuss what is power. Okay? Power is the rate at which energy is expended and a product of the voltage across a circuit or component times the current through it, or it is equivalent to 1 joules per seconds. So is the energy of power. And the standard units of power is watts. Okay? So in AC circuits or in AC analysis, we have a what we call true power, reactive power, apparent power, and imaginary power. Okay? So true power is the actual power consumed by the circuit to perform useful works such running a motor, lighting bulbs, or heating a components like a resistor. It is measured in watts. Okay, so the formula for true power is P equals to V times I times the cosine theta. Okay, so the reactive power, other one is the reactive power, is the power associated with energy stored in and released from reactive component like inductor and capacitors, and it is measured in volt ampere reactive or var. So the formula is Q, or denoted as Q, equals to V times I times sine theta. Okay. Also, apparent power, the apparent power is the total power supplied to the circuit, combining both true power and reactive power. It is represent the capacity of the electrical system to deliver energy. The apparent power is uh, the formula for the apparent power is equals to S uh, V times I, or the vector sum of the true power and the reactive power. And then the imaginary power, it is another term of reactive power often used in mathematical context involving complex numbers. So it is expressed as S equals to P plus the imaginary reactive power. Okay? So dito po meron tayong power triangle which relates among or true power versus reactive and apparent powers. So dito po is makikita natin yung relationship nila. So this one, the true power, this yes, true power, so P equals to V times I plus times cosine, and then the reactive power is Q is equals to V times I times sine theta, and then the apparent power is the vector sum of this reactive and true power. Okay, so next video we will try to solve some exercise regarding this topic. Okay, thank you for watching.